Welcome, space enthusiasts, to a captivating journey through the remarkable lives of 7 legendary astronauts who have left an indelible mark on the history of space exploration. Join us as we celebrate their extraordinary achievements and groundbreaking contributions to the exploration of the cosmos. Astronaut number 1, Neil Armstrong, the first human to set foot on the moon. He described the experience as one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. His historic words echoed throughout the universe and ignited the imagination of generations to come. Astronaut number 2, Sally Ride, the first American woman in space. She shattered glass ceilings and inspired countless young women to reach for the stars. She paved the way for equality in space exploration. Astronaut number 3, Yuri Gagarin, the first human to orbit the Earth. His courageous voyage aboard Vostok 1 marked a monumental achievement in space exploration and propelled the Soviet Union to the forefront of the space race. Astronaut number 4, Mae Jemison, the first African-American woman in space. With her journey aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour, she broke barriers and inspired a generation of young dreamers to believe that anything is possible. Number 5, Chris Hadfield, the Canadian space icon. Known for his captivating social media presence and stunning photographs from the International Space Station, he brought the beauty and wonder of space to millions around the world. Astronaut number 6, Valentina Tereshkova, the first woman to orbit the Earth. Her pioneering journey aboard Vostok 6 expanded the boundaries of human space exploration and inspired women across the globe to reach for the stars. Astronaut number 7, Buzz Aldrin, the second person to walk on the moon. His unwavering dedication to scientific research and advocacy for space exploration have made him a living legend and an ambassador for the future of humanity beyond Earth. These 7 legendary astronauts have propelled humanity's reach beyond our home planet, leaving a lasting legacy in the annals of space exploration. Through their courage, determination, and insatiable curiosity, they have inspired generations to explore the cosmos and push the boundaries of human achievement. Thanks for watching. Ensure to click the like button if you enjoyed our video. I send love and light your way.